They're good. They're really good. What's up, everybody? I'm Chef Sheldon Simeon, all the way from Maui, Hawaii. Chef owner of Tin Roof Restaurant and author of Cook Real Hawaii. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make PANCIT noodles, a Filipino New Year's tradition that's gonna bring you good luck, good health, and longevity for the new year. Let's get started. So the name PANCIT literally means noodles in Filipino. It could be Canton noodles, egg noodles, rice noodles, mung bean noodles.
Pan fried, deep fried, stir fried.
Any type of noodles, you call it PANCIT. Like many other countries, noodles were introduced to the Philippines by the Chinese around the 16th century. Now we eat noodles during the New Year's like many other Asian cultures to signify longevity. It's gonna give you good luck and good health for the new year. Let's get into it. If you like recipes like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. This is what you're gonna need to make PANCIT noodles. Minced up pork, boneless chicken thighs, chopped up shrimp, shiitake mushrooms, red onions, julienne carrots, some green cabbage, fresh PANCIT noodles, fried garlic, some lime wedges, scallions, hondashi, seasoned fish powder, minced up garlic, some canola oil, chicken stock, achuete, annatto powder, oyster sauce, and patis, fish sauce. We're gonna cook all of this in a kawali, a siliase, or what you call a Filipino wok. If you don't have one of those, try to find the largest non-stick pan that you have that's gonna fit all of these ingredients. Let's get cooking. All right, we've got our siliase, our kawali all set up. We're gonna start cooking our PANCIT noodles. I've got this warmed up over some medium heat. I'm gonna add some canola oil to start off, just like that. To that, I'm gonna add my garlic. Stir fry that for just a few seconds. Then I'm going to add my pork. Just like that. Next goes in the chicken. Then we're going to cook this up until it's all nice and brown. Okay, once it's all nice and evenly brown like that, we're going to add the shrimp. That's going to cook for a few minutes. Shrimp, chicken, and pork has been cooking. We're going to add the rest of our vegetables in. Carrots, onions, shiitake mushrooms, and cabbage. We'll let that cook until the vegetables are nice and soft. Once the vegetables has been cooking for a few minutes, we're going to add our noodles. In this measuring cup, I've taken the chicken stock, oyster sauce, hondashi, patis, and achuete, and mixed them all together. That's going to be the sauce that's going to flavor up all of our noodles and vegetables. Once you add your sauce, slowly fold it into the noodles and toss that through. That sauce is gonna glaze the noodles. But you wanna warm the noodles all the way through. You wanna cook this down until you see that there is no sauce left in the wok. Give it a taste. So after a few minutes, all of the sauce has been absorbed by the noodles picking up all of the aromas of the garlic. You got the oyster sauce, the annatto seeds that's in there, and everything's all nice and happy. Turn your fire off. I'm gonna season this with some fresh cracked pepper at the end. And some fresh cut green onions. Let's plate this up. Alright, we've got the pancit noodles plated up. We're gonna garnish it off with a little bit more green onions. Some fried garlic. And some limes. If you can find calamansi limes, that's the ones. And there it is, New Year's pancit noodles. I hope these noodles bring your family good health, longevity, and good luck. Aloha, Happy New Year, everyone.
Lick that up and down. Beat the you know how. Talking shit like when Banger call me out. I'm a west side honey in the south.